Need to fix EA server connection error? Then you're on the right video. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So you might be in the person but it says connection error. In this case, try closing the tab and then move into the website again. It will refresh the page. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is click on this icon and then head over to history. You need to remove all the history of electronic arts. Swipe to the left and then click on this delete icon. Once it has been deleted, it should help you out, or else you can also clear all of the history of Safari. Once done, try re-entering the website. If not, you can try using different web browser. Previously I have used Safari, so now I'm gonna use Chrome. From here you can move into the website ea.com. This should definitely help you out. Now the next thing you can try doing is you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly. If not, you can try using cellular data as well. If not, try turning on airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off. Even after this, if you're still having the issue, then the next thing you want to do is move into any of the web browser and head over to EA customer service. Move into the very first site. Once you're in this official page of EA support, in the search bar, you need to search for server. Sometimes the server might be down of EA Sports. From here, you can check whether the server is down or not. Simply head over to how to check EA game server outage. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the step-by-step process on how you can check it. From there, check the server analytics. If the server is having the issue, then you simply need to wait for the server to be fixed. After that, the next thing you can try doing is you can simply restart your device. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.